Hello, 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 YouTube. So this is an easy meal. It lasts a long time. Or you can eat on this for a couple of days. You need the diced tomatoes. It's chicken spaghetti. Cream of mushroom. You can use cream of mushroom or you can use cream of chicken. I have my seasoning. I have my chicken broth because I'm going to cook my chicken in my chicken broth. The Taco Bell cheese blend, the Velveeta. I prefer the thin spaghetti, and that is what I did purchase. And of course my chicken, I went and got some other chicken. The other chicken I had didn't smell right. So we went to Publix and got some more chicken. Now I have my pressure cooker here. I'm going to put my chicken in my pressure cooker and cook that because I want all the flavor to get in there. So I'm going to add my chicken broth to, and that's probably all you need is that much. Maybe cover it half, and then I'm going to add my seasoning to my to the mixture in here, the chicken and the broth in here also. Okay, so it is now in the pressure cooker. It says 29 minutes, and that's just fine. I actually have a button for poultry. Let me back up. Can y'all see that? I have a button for poultry. And so it's just on 29 minutes. And that's fine. That's good enough to cook it to where it's not overdone, because you don't want to dry your chicken out. And then once this is done, then we'll continue with we'll go ahead and do the noodles at that time, because it takes about 10 minutes maybe to do noodles. Not a long time. Now I don't add, let me make sure y'all looking at me. I don't add my noodles until my water is boiling. Some people do, but I feel like it causes your noodles to be soggy, so I don't add my noodles until it is boiling, and I will show you that also. My noodles are boiling. The water is boiling. I put the noodles in there. Your diced tomatoes, cream of mushrooms, and your Velveeta in a pot, and bring that to a boil. I'm going to start stirring pretty soon. And my noodles are done. They're there. I'm going to put them in a pan in a minute. Let me turn my oven on. I have a gas stove, so I just cook it at 350. So let that warm up. So I've added the chicken and the spaghetti in my pan. I am very much about easy cleanup, so I use aluminum foil on my pan because it's easy cleanup. So, and remember that juice that you had in there when you cooked it in the pressure cooker, I added that also to this dish. And we're not done. We still got to stir our cheese, mushroom, and let me show you. So see, it's bubbling, so I might have to start stirring because I don't want it to get overcooked. And you continue to stir and stir and stir. I'm recording by myself, so it's a little bit hard to do everything at the same time. Okay, so look at that. Now, I don't know where my spoon is at. You see that? Get into focus. Yeah. And it's on a low because I don't want it to, see, it's a low. Where is it on? So it's on a 2 or so. And I clean up as I go. It's so much easier if you just clean up as you go. So once this is cooked down and looks a little bit smoother, I'm gonna pour it over my noodles and my chicken. Look at that. Let's pour it. Ooh-wee. Then mix it all up. And again, I'm one-handed today, so let me mix this all up first and I'll come right back. Okay, this is what it looks like with the shredded cheese on the top. Ooh, I'm about to put it in the oven. And then I'm going to continue to clean up my dishes. There's a clop of little cheese right there because I don't like to waste nothing. So I got this out the pan. And scooped it up, scraped it up and scooped it out. I'm not going to waste nothing. Groceries are high. Hot.